Hi, I'm Stephen, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made some money. I know COVID's pretty hard right now, and yeah, so I just thought I'd show how I made a bit of money to kind of keep paying the bills and stuff like that. So yeah, so what I did was I looked around my house for stuff that I haven't used in 6 months, maybe a year, and that I could verify kind of that I didn't need. So the first thing that I found that I didn't need was a TV. I'll put it there. That's the TV. It's old TV, so I got £20 for that. I put everything that I wanted to sell on Facebook Marketplace because it's a little bit quicker in my experience than eBay and things like that. But eBay works just as well, or like I guess if you're in America, Craigslist and stuff like that. All you need to remember is, because COVID's going on, to wear a mask when you either deliver or someone comes to collect the item that you're selling. The next thing I sold was a big box of candles, which I also sold for £20. There were these outdoor candles, never been used. I mean, they'd been sat just kind of in a box being stored for 2 years, 3 years, something like that. But yeah, the next thing that I sold, which was originally going to be a lot more, was this old computer. It was worth more, but then while trying to get it to factory reset, I broke it and I couldn't get it to repair, so I just sold it for another £20. So that's another 20 quid, can't say no to that. The next thing I sold was this drill. I have a handheld drill and I don't use this very much, so I thought, why not sell it, seeing as I haven't used it at all since I was given it, which I sold for 50 quid. So yeah, extra 50 quid in the pocket. The next thing I sold was this speaker. I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, I bought a really nice portable speaker, so I don't need that speaker anymore, so I just sold it, 15 quid. And I listed a couple more, but they haven't sold yet. Yeah, then I sold these headphones, just these Beats, not Beats, School Candy ones. I think they were 50 quid, so yeah, I hadn't used them that much either. But yeah, it's better than nothing, so I got 10 quid from that. And the final thing that I sold was this camera with an extra lens. I think the camera's worth about 300, 350 new, and the lens is about 50 to 100 quid. So I sold it for 190. I wanted 200 for it, but I kind of gave in to the customer as I just needed the money. So yeah, 190 quid. But yeah, my main kind of things that I learned doing this is look at what it was originally, think about how long you've had it, and kind of deduct the value accordingly. I kind of did quarter of the value on pretty much all of them, if not less, purely because I just wanted to get rid of them quickly, and if you want to get rid of them quickly, you have to do a fraction of the price. The other thing I would say is that make sure that you're happy with the price. And be aware that people will want to pay a bit below. If it's something common, look on the marketplace that you're selling it and check. And if everybody's selling it for way cheaper than you want to sell it, then just hold on to it for a bit, or be prepared to sell it for that kind of amount. If you want more for it and it's kind of a bit more rare, then put it at a higher value to what you actually want or would be happy with, so then they can knock you down a little bit and they can be a bit happier that they think they've got a bargain. But yeah, here are some other methods of getting a bit of money. So the obvious one is get an extra job. All the shops seem to be hiring because they need more staff for cleaning down and things like that. They're not great jobs, but yeah, I'm just going to do a little skit here. Morning, have a good weekend.
Yeah, I ended up going out with a couple of friends and we had a bit of a catch up.
Oh yeah, that sounds like a lot of fun. I didn't see that report that was due at 5 o'clock today. Yeah, we need that for that meeting.
Yeah, no, I just wanted to give it a bit of a polish up, you know. I wanted to make sure that the clients had a really good first impression of us, to kind of make sure they knew we were the best people for the job.
Yeah, no, I knew you would. Sounds like you have enough time to have fun, so, you know, of course you'd have that report done by 5 today. Yeah, great. Enjoy, have a nice day. Oh, I'm never going out again. The other one that I don't know if it's going right now, but I know a lot of the time science, they actually like pay people to do a lot. I think the best one that I've heard of is where you stay awake for like 48 hours or something, and they just keep waking you up and make sure you don't go asleep, but you get a fair amount of money for that, which may not be that enjoyable, but I think the pay is kind of according to that, but I don't know whether they're doing them now. But yeah, I think mainly it's just getting rid of all the stuff that you're not using. It's quite a good way to declutter as well. So yeah, you're not only making money, but you're also making room as well, which is always pretty good. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked, please give it a like, please share it, please leave a comment on what video I should make next, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.